What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. We actually tuning in late because me and Wifey been on the move all morning. We done had 2 extremely busy days. I definitely had a busy day yesterday, and we back at it again. We've been going all day. Ever since we started working out, we went straight to Summit. Had to do an emergency part run for meats. It might make it. It might make it. Had to get some stuff. We went up there, got that. Came straight back. Dropped the parts off at Lawless. Street cars, we had to go pick up the calipers for R&B. So we got the new calipers, man. I'm gonna let knock that out. And now we finna wash the car right quick so we can start transporting the cars. But y'all probably seeing that after everything. We finna start transporting the cars to Joe Buddy Racing for storage. But cause it's raining tomorrow. So y'all saw the other vlog. I had washed 2 of them. So we finna wash 2 more. Emma and brown coat. We finna go ahead and knock that out, me and Wifey. And then after that, we're gonna cover them up, and we taking R&B and Dolo. We're going to drop them off. And then tomorrow we'll drop 2 more off. And the day of the show, we're gonna drive our 2 down. So there we got going on. No talking. Let's get to it, Wifey. Say, let go and start. You're gonna eat your flywheel up. Wifey getting Jmalcom up. Y'all, we got this wash, brown coat wash. Wife is on the parking net. Sounds good. Then we're gonna put Jmalcom behind our brown coat because we're taking that tomorrow. We ain't washing that. I'm gonna just wipe it down. Stay up. Now we finna go hop in these, gas them up, get them to Joe Buddy Racing. Holler at Unc about knocking the calipers out for me, paint them up so it look good. And yeah, we're gonna be ready to roll. So Wifey in this one, I'm finna bend Dolo, and that's what we about to do. But we finna cover hers up first, so it don't get no dust stuff on it. We'll tune back in. Y'all, we checking in, so it's the next day. I see me and Wifey had washed the cars up the day before. Y'all see Dolo, R&B gone. Because we already transported those there at Joe Buddy Racing. Shout out to Unc, man, for storing the cars for me. So see, they'll be on the inside and all that. And we washed the truck yesterday, but I got water to the car wash, man. I'm gonna go over all of them, but the main thing was to knock most of the dirt off. What we about to do now, it's gonna be another busy day, cause this the day before the show. So we have to transport the last 2, which is brown coat and Jmalcom, because it looks like meat actually is gonna be done in time. So Jesse and the Lawless crew done pulled a rabbit out the hat. So look like meats should be done. And then that means we'll have to be picking that car up today. And now we got to make 2 trips because my father-in-law, he got something shaking today. So we're going to have to drop this one off. And I hope I beat the rain. Y'all see it rain. But the good Lord might look out for it, man. I might make it all the way there and get it on the inside before it rains. Which I ain't worried about Grandma Nana making it in because I have not washed it. And it needs paint too. So I'm just going to wipe it down day of the show. But if we can get this one here without running in the rain, man, be a good day to me. Then we'll just come back. I grab Grandma Nana and take it. And in between time, we might get a call from Jesse saying meat's ready, and I pick it up and bring it home and just drive it the day of the show. So that's what we got shaking, man. I got Aunt down there turning wrenches on R&B, getting her together. I told you the headlights sporadically just stopped working, man. And the running lights, brake lights work. I'm like, I don't know what's going on. So Aunt got that straight. We found that issue. He got that straight. And what else? It's been a lot shaking, man. It's been busy. And he got that straight. And then the brakes, I went ahead and did the calipers because they were rusty and stuff. So he changed the brake calipers and stuff. So she'll look good through there now for the time being until I change to the wildwood dual pistons. And yeah, there we at. So wife finna drive the truck. We finna gas these things up, get down Joe Buddy Racing, literally drop them off and come back and get Grandma Nana and go back. And then in between time, we'll pick up meat. So y'all might see it back at the house. I'm gonna have a debut video coming for it. And we'll be done, man. So that's what we got on the agenda. Let's do it. All right, y'all, we made it. Joe Buddy Racing. Grandma Nana in. Got my racing gear. I got to clean up racing gear back here. I got to take out. Yeah. Stay tuned. All right, as y'all can see, the head honcho back home. It was a super sketchy ride. We got the other 2 dropped off at Joe Buddy Racing. It's raining like crazy. Now we gotta run to Walmart, and then later tonight we're gonna let the rain ease up. We're gonna have to go gas up Wifey car because we ain't gonna have time in the morning. But the adventure gonna continue. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So it is about 2 days after the last clip y'all just saw, man, and y'all, we made it. We made it. I got the car show footage coming for y'all, man. It was crazy. It was lit, good atmosphere, good vibes. We got the whole fleet out there. I told y'all, as y'all can see, the last clip, we did get meats back home. It got to go back to Lawless because it ain't got the exhaust on it. So I'm have the exhaust video coming for y'all. And it's one more thing we got to do that we didn't get to, but we did make it, man. Boy, the whole week and last week been crazy, but especially this week. This week was crazy, man. So I ain't even have time to just really shoot and stuff because we was like literally from like 10 in the morning to 8 at night. We were running 3 days straight, cause from working out. Then we stopped working out. We got to move and go get this stuff and this and that and third move call. We were working, man. But I got some good content coming for y'all now. I got that out the way, man. That was a big thing. Goal accomplished, mission accomplished. I met a lot of great people, a lot of new supporters, man. A lot of supporters. I met a lot of people out there from TikTok, from people that watch solely on Instagram, people that watch here on YouTube, on Facebook. Man, I met all type of supporters, man. The car show was huge. It was over 450 entries. So that means it was over 450 cars on the site. I think it was a lot of group entries, you know, shops and stuff that brought cars and all of that, and they had multiple entries. But as far as personal vehicles, I think I was probably one of the people that had, or if not, the one that had the most personal vehicle interest. Cause when I got to the pre-registration tapes, it was like, oh, your name on here a lot and this and that. So it was a scramble, man. So I talked about possibly reserving an area next year, and they said they're gonna talk to the director right then, one of the directors, and you know, if we can reserve an area, man, it's gonna be even bigger. Cause we probably gonna add more to the fleet this year. But y'all stay tuned for that. But before I close this vlog out, that's why I didn't close it out. I had to shout the people out. And I'm going to shout them out again on the car show vlog too, when y'all see that. But, man, I got to shout out Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. I got to shout out Wifey. I got to shout out Cuzzo. And I got to shout out Unc. Man, without them, and my father-in-law. Without them, I could not have made this stuff happen with all these cars, man. It's been a scramble. It's been a real scramble, man. So, couldn't have made it happen without them, man. And I'm gonna do something for them people. Cause I been rough. You know, I gotta shout myself out too. I've been putting the hammer down, man. Overtime running and stuff, man. So yeah, man. They're gonna wrap this up. Y'all stay tuned. I got some vlog coming for y'all, man. I'm at about recovery. I'm about 92%. So I'm back rolling now. For real. I'm back rolling, man, with the camera, the vlogs and stuff daily. Cause I know I've been getting y'all shorts in between time, but we finna have a full length vlog back. Cause I got a lot of stuff to shoot now, but I know my little injury had me down bad. But I'm at 92%, man. I'm back rolling. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.